Spectre. The soundtrack to this game is so good. Hey there guys, this is Master DK and welcome to Ape Escape! This is probably one of my favorite childhood games. I just wasted hours on this thing. I would be like home sick from school, and my only comfort, because I was in, you know, so much aching pain and all, was playing this. God, to relive the days I had scarlet fever. Oh boy. Basically, the premise of the game is simple. A bunch of apes escaped, and you have to catch them with your butterfly net. It's a lot more complex than that. We'll get right into it. The opening cutscene will let you in on all the goods. We get to see the nice 2D cityscape.
Hey, Spike, did the professor finish the time station yet? Are we gonna get to go back in time?
He said he'd be finished with it today. Let's go.
I can't wait to check out the dinosaurs. And what about the future?
Yeah, we'll keep talking because I'm going first.
That's not fair.
I don't know if this is the case, but this might have released in Japan first.
Hey, Professor!
I can't say for sure.
Spike, Jake, over here.
I could definitely
watch
tell
out.
there was Japanese
station.
developers behind this game.
No, run you two.
As you can see, apes together be strong. And they fuck shit up. Oh man, this is just a huge wave of nostalgia, like, my god. I am gonna have such a good time. I keep saying that, but it's true. There he is, Spectre. The monkey that basically King Caesar of this game.
It works. It actually works. We did it, Natalie. We did it.
We made great sacrifices in the name of science.
Complete.
We don't have time for celebrating. We've got to do something.
Spike, can you hear me? You must listen carefully. Something awful has happened. There's been an accident. The time station has been activated by Spectre and you're being transported back in time. You'll soon arrive in the lost land when dinosaurs roam the earth. Spectre has sent the apes back in time to try to change the course of history. His plans for world domination have begun. And if we don't stop the apes,
he could have easily stayed in the present time and took over the world.
You're our only chance.
Alright, we're going right into it. We're capturing 3 monkeys. Let's go. The controls for this game, I remember, are very wonky. I might need a chance to... I might need some time to adjust. Let's see. You got... Yeah. Instead of them making the most of, like... Instead of, like, the basic actions being, corresponding with the, buttons on the right, your square, your circle, your triangle, your X, those are for your inventory. Yeah, very weird. And to jump, I think you press R1. Yeah, very weird. Very different. I got a lightsaber here, as you can see. And you attack these little shits that knocked me into a mailbox. Ow! I'm trying not to suck right now. Alright, R1 is to jump. R2 is to also jump. Like I said, very wonky. L1 is for your camera. L2 is for, you know, first-person mode. anyways, yeah, there's the monkeys. You gotta capture them. Later on in the game, you get to like read about them, and yeah, we'll get into that later. But it's a lot of fun for me at least. There's lore in this game, but I think that just about covers it. And you use your right analog stick to swing your weapons and stuff, and use your gadgets. And you can also do this by rotating the analog stick. Really cool. But anyways, let's capture this monkey, stun him, and then catch him. Yeah, baby. All right, 2 more. God, man. Everything from the music to the levels. The levels are gonna get big fast. Let's just say that. Like, this is not even like 1% of the size of some of these levels. I don't need to read the mailboxes, I'm sorry. Like, those are the most annoying things in this game. I don't care. But yeah, you're probably wondering, hey, how do you get up there? Because you probably saw a monkey up there. Hang on. Yeah, just chilling up there. Well, you get gadgets later on, like I said, and you get to do things like, you know, you get to go back and capture monkeys that you couldn't before. You know, because if you want to be a completionist, there you go. And let's just get this little shit. I'll probably need to stun him too because he's being a little stubborn. You know, bad monkeys get the club of death.
Yes!
And like that, just like that, I am good as gravy. I use that catchphrase in real life, and people look at me with the weirdest expression. So I apologize if you're doing the same.
You did great.
Thank you. I'm glad to get the reassuring compliments. And here's a little lab hub, I guess you can call it. But anyways, let's continue playing. We got a lot of things to explore. Like, the Lost Land, Primordial Ooze. Let's go. Yeah, we're like at the beginning of time right now.
I've got a new gadget. Check it out.
And you get new gadgets as you play.
This is the water net. Use it when you're underwater. I equipped it with an oxygen meter. I'm sending the new gadget over to you right now. Try it out in the training room. Without training, it will be too dangerous for you to continue on to the next area. Well, good luck and be careful.
I've kind of memorized some of these. All right. So yeah, you get your own like training facilities to try out new gadgets. Really, really cool. You just, I know how to play the game. You jump in, and voila, you have a water net whenever you're underwater. It's pretty cool. All right, I believe. Okay, I need to remember how to swim. I think you press down on the left analog stick. Yeah, and then you dive. Alright, cool. Yeah, this is one of the first games that implemented the DualShock analog controller for the PlayStation. Like, this is one of the games that revolutionized, that helped revolutionize the analog sticks on the PlayStation controller, which is really cool. Okay, well there was, yeah, and they made a huge deal about how you could press down on it too? It's a joystick you could press down on! Are you serious? I wasn't anywhere near you! Oh dear. Alright, there's like a little monkey dummy that you can, you know... You don't even have to do that, but, you know, it's helpful to do it if you've never played the game before. Anyways, and then you can leave. Simple as that. Please, mailbox. Please. I'm begging you. Alright, and then there you have it. By the way, this woman here, she's completely virtual. So I'm sorry to anybody who wants to, you know, wants that as your girlfriend, but it's just not going to happen, man. Unless you're into the virtual thing.
Let's go!
Alright, now we're in the rain. And we're gonna get some get this party started. Alright, you want to play games? Well, that's all I do on this channel, so bring it! Bring it! Get out of here! All you have to do is be in the proximity of those mailboxes and they open. Oh my god, I remember those. I remember those now. Get out of here. Oh, I hate them. I am trying to capture monkeys. Alright. It's weird. They call them monkeys in the game, but it's called Ape Escape. They just... Oh. Good thing I did that before he dove. Alright. I think there's one swimming in the water, and I can catch him with my water net. Yep, right over here. Alright, one more to go. Ooh, Spectre Coin. Those are important, kind of. I mean, if you want to complete the game, you gotta collect them all, of course. Oh, there's one up there. I can't really... Stop! Every time, you might as well put up a counter for the mailboxes that open without me wanting them open.
Yes!
And just like that, I'm done. Woohoo! Childhood! It was that simple, folks. Yeah, I did great. I don't need you to tell me that. Again. Alright, here we go. There's nothing left to do but go for it, man. Next up, we're going to the molten lava. We're going to get into some dinosaurs.
Let's go!
Jesus Christ. Stop.
Break them, John.
Let me do the thing. And of course, you don't come near me when I do the thing. Also, there's a special area over here where you're in a cage and you can't get out unless you have a certain gadget that you don't have yet. So, it's one of those games where you're gonna backtrack to past levels because you missed stuff, and they deliberately put stuff that you can't get until later. So, oh yeah, the monkeys can fight back, and that's always nice. The helmets that they're wearing basically increases their intelligence. In case you're wondering. He ran back over there, didn't he? Oh shit. Get over here. Stop being a pain in my ass. Right, there you go. Oh. There you go. Okay, getting a little better. I'm not getting hit as much. That's saying something, right? Oh yeah, this is where you have to find the monkey in the egg, or the egg shell, without getting pterodactyled. And you gotta coordinate. Oh god, you gotta do multi-coordination skills. Up! Jesus Christ. Get over here. There we go. Alright, now here comes the fun part. Here's what it's all about. Here's what it's all about when it comes to dinosaurs. And of course they have a super badass area for it. It's the T-Rex! And the mailbox is ruining the moment! Oh! All you gotta do is knock him off the tail and then just nail his ass. Oh, Jesus. Actually, I think you're supposed to stun the dino. And, by hitting his head when he goes diving for you. Oh, you do that! Wait a minute. Or you just knock him off the tail. I'm pretty sure you just knock him off the tail. Because wouldn't that work? Anyways, if I can't get him, there's another one over there that's a lot easier to get. Okay, fine. Another day, perhaps. He's just sitting there, so might as well take him out.
Yes!
And there you go. Another level done. If you can't tell, this game is pretty easy. I mean, it gets hard, probably from this point forward.
You did great.
They like take the difficulty up a notch for some reason. But I've also been playing this game for years, so if I seem like I'm doing too well, sorry. I mean, I'm breezing past these levels. I'm not even sure this is going to be that long of a video.
Look what I've got, a new gadget.
I already got a new gadget.
Check it out.
Here's a monkey radar.
It's the monkey radar, one of the best gadgets in the game.
I'm sending the new gadget over to you right now. Try it out in the training room. Without training, it will...
This is the same message. You can find monkeys with it, because that's normal. Wait a minute. Oh, I was bamboozled for a second. Yeah, the radar was pointing somewhere different. That's no good. And there we go. That's how it's done, baby. I found them all, right? Yeah, I found them all. Time to go. No mailbox. Back away. Alright. We're doing good, guys. Way too good.
Spike, you're now on your way to the mysterious time of the jungle ruins. You must navigate through thick jungles filled with beasts never seen before. Go on to explore the temple ruins, but be very careful. The temple is laden with treacherous pathways and dark dungeons. Oh yes, and you may have already noticed one thing. The apes have varying fields of vision, so in most cases you can sneak up on them by crawling around rather than running after them.
That's very convenient. Alright, here's another cutscene which I hope doesn't get skips, because it's pretty badass.
Hello, Professor. Remember me? It's me, Spectre, the future leader of the new age.
I got a 90s
right.
voice.
Apes will soon rule the world, just as it should have
Part
been.
of my new enhanced intelligence.
Spectre, what's going on here? What are you planning to do?
Spectre, oh yes.
Just scolding
You're
him.
the monkey that performs at the amusement park.
What? He's that cute little monkey that everyone loves to come and see? But how?
Yes, that's right. I stumbled onto this incredible invention of yours, this peak point helmet, and it's given me remarkable knowledge and great powers. And now I plan to rule the world, and I owe it to you,
that's
Professor.
normal to invent.
Spectre, you must listen to me carefully. It's true that the peak point helmet will augment your intelligence to heightened levels when it's worn. However, it is still incomplete. It's never been tested and may be very dangerous to use. I insist that you bring the peak point helmet back to me immediately.
Bring it back? Are you kidding? I'm sorry, Professor, but it's too late.
It's too
I've
late.
already made duplicate helmets for my new army of apes. There's no stopping us now. The future is mine. Don't try and trick me.
What do you sound like, Jerry
Seinfeld?
Seinfeld?
Professor, I'm smarter than you. I even figured out how to use
I'm
the
smarter
time
than
station.
you.
I've already sent my armies back in time to rewrite history. No longer will humans be the dominant species. I will rule this world. Don't bother trying to stop me.
Huh. Spike will find you. Just wait, you'll see. We're not gonna stand around and let you take over.
Spike?
I'm no longer angry.
Hello, Runt. He doesn't scare me. I've got a surprise for him.
Jake!
Mind controlled Jake. Or brainwashed Jake,
I've always
I mean.
wanted to go up against you.
Same thing.
Now here's my chance. I'm gonna have a great time destroying you and showing you who's the real hero.
What's happening? What's wrong with you? Do you realize what you're saying? Do you know who you're talking to? Snap out of it. Pull yourself together. Can you hear me?
It's no use. Somehow he's been brainwashed and he's being controlled by Spectre.
That's right, Professor. You're very perceptive. The boy you see here isn't the same anymore. He works for me now.
We run an
I'm in
arcade
control,
together.
And no one can stop me, especially not you. Well, I've got to go now, but I'm sure we'll be talking again soon.
Man, the cheese is just on point. It's the right amount of cheese to where it's not unbearable. Now I gotta capture 6 monkeys, and shit's gonna get hard, yo. Just out of nowhere. But we got a cool level with lots to explore. Yeah, we're getting into it now, folks. The prehistoric times are over, and I didn't realize how close that was to me. But if I remember correctly, first of all, get rid of that. If I remember correctly, there's an ape in one of these things, and I hate these yellow jackets. I'm assuming they're yellow jackets because yellow jackets are wasps, and wasps are assholes. It's gotta be in here. There he is. Oh god. Don't you dare! Oh my god. Yeah, if you ever get caught by him, just do that. Okay, tutorial over. Ah! No! You tricked me! How dare you be smart? You're just a damn dirty ape! Okay. Enough of that. 1 monkey down. Now, let's find some more. Oh yes, it's the one with the gun. Yeah, some of these monkeys have straight up fucking machine guns and will blast you away. Look at that. Yeah. Serious shit, man. Get fucked. Don't you dare shoot at me. I'm just a kid. Have you no morals? Yeah, these are all supposed to be kids, by the way. Spike, Jake, Natalie, I think is her name. Oh god, I fucking hate this. There's like a giant-ass fish waiting to take away your innocence in this water. So you gotta be, like, really quick getting out of it. Yeah, there's a raft here, and it protects you, and you have to paddle using the analog sticks. Very, very cool. Shit. Oh, jeez. See, look, now he's gonna try and electrocute me and fail. But, shit, man. This is like so many people's worst nightmares. Oh, stop it. You're just doing rotating motions with the analog stick. That's all you gotta do. Shit! Are you kidding me? Let me just land on the platform. Ugh. Okay, I got more cookies. I'm assuming those are cookies. They're your health bar. They look just like cookies. Alright. Wait. Oh yeah, there's a wheel. You gotta spin around Stun Club. It's not called a lightsaber, it's called a Stun Club. It's a fucking lightsaber. And yeah, you just do this. Okay, I gotta do the boost a little bit sooner. Like this. Yeah. That's how it's done. Now you can catch some monkey. Oh, he's got sad eyes. Look at him. Aw. Well, I'm not above monkey abuse. I'm also not above a monkey fight. I was just running at him with a Stun Club like an idiot. Just catch the damn thing. Alright, another raft section. I have no idea what that fish does, but I never wanted to find out, so... Should I just for fun find out what that fish does? Because all my life, since my childhood, I never figured it out. Let's find out. What happens? Come on. Hello, you remind me of the fish from Super Mario 64. Do you do anything to me? Oh god. I'm gonna die just from being underwater. You don't do anything to me! You're fine! As much as I hate the giant fish in this game. Let's let down. Alright. Very carefully make your way up the log. like I just did. Oh, Jesus! I didn't even see that. Alright. I'm trying to jump. Go. Another one down. Get out of here. Got more health bar cookies. And we are... I think there's like a mini boss in this section. There's like a tree you have to fight. Here we go. Tree boss. You basically have to take out his branches, or hit his branches so you can attack him. Like that. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, can't do it too long though. Oh. There you go. And you gotta get him before he jumps back in.
Oh, ow!
Gotcha. Okay, one more monkey to go. Where can I find another monkey? I think there was one by a tent somewhere. Like, yeah, right over here. Gotta do some parkour on the platforms here, and here we go. Stun him and grab him. Oh, I should have waited. Can I get hit again? Oh, he's throwing rocks at me. Ow.
Oh no!
I was trying to dodge. The tent was in the way. We're here, and let's get me a monkey. There we go. Feel good about that. I totally don't, but I'll pretend. Whew. Okay. I got sent back in time with a bunch of monkeys.
You did great.
I have a professor that has seizures every time he tries to talk to me. Good day. Alright. Nothing left to do. Let's just get on with it. I forgot what's up next. Oh, Dark Ruins. Here we go. Yeah, this is a pretty cool level. Virtual girlfriend. Hi, how you doing? Capture 6 monkeys. Gotcha. Wait, I have a radar. I didn't assign it to one of my buttons yet. I went through that entire level without the radar. I wonder if I can use my radar to find a monkey. Oh, there we go. And as you can see down in the corner there, I can press the L2 button, and what that does is tells you about the monkey. Kyle, monkey level 3. A monkey with a laser gun is level 3 apparently. Fun, sun, shiny new gun. Let's do it. Better not shoot me. I'll never forgive you if you do. Come on. A son of a bitch. I'm gonna come back to you. Oh my god. This is as fast as I can run. So you can... Oh, I forgot you did that. You have to hit him twice. And hope he doesn't dive at you. I mean, he's going to. There we go. Oh, I got an extra life for that. Look at that. Good things to... Ah! I almost got knocked to hell. Get out of here. Alright, let's see what's in these ruins. So far, I've captured no monkeys. Let's change that. Alright, interesting place. I don't care about the decor as much as what. What the fuck? I don't remember that at all. Maybe I'm not as familiar with this game as I thought I was. I got a boost power, bitch. What do you think I do? Oh god, it's flowing backwards. Yeah, I'm supposed to go up these. There we go. That makes more sense. Wait. completely gone. Oh, there he is. End of the line, buddy. I don't need to read info on you. I already know you an asshole. Oh, jeez. No. No! I died. That's right. The professor said I could sneak. I didn't wake it up. Cool. Also, I can duck. Yeah, I can crawl. Look at me. Look at me crawling. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't even need an obstacle course. Look at me. Gotcha! Oh, man, that felt good. Okay, what's on the other side? Something familiar, maybe? I remember there's, one that I saw a Spectre coin. Oh! I didn't realize I woke him up. Thank God it didn't hit me. It scared the shit out of me. I need to catch some monkeys, man. I'll do whatever it takes. Oh God, I heard that. Monkey. Oh, monkey boy. Oh damn. Wait a minute. Oh, is this a plummet to doom? Oh, it's not. Oh, there's a monkey up there. Oh, this is the one that runs really fast, even though the monkey book said it didn't. Oh, I think I know the strat. I know the strat now. Oh, I know the strat, and I'm going to use the strat. I'm going to crawl. I'm going to sneaky do. Oh, yeah. He's not going to see me. Also, that's a pretty fast sneak. Look how fast I'm going. Spike has got some muscles, man. Alright. That's how it's done, baby. Oh yeah. Sneaking is the way to go, man. I'm telling you. Oh, we'll go in here. I hope it's not the same place. Yeah, it isn't. Okay, these guys multiply. Maybe I shouldn't even bother. Alright. Oh, sneak. Nope, no. Sneak. Sneak. Very slowly. God, I love sneaking. Wait a minute. Hold up. That's what happens when you press both. You go into the fetal position.
Why are we still here?
Why? Oh, I guess to be, like, so perfectly still that you're invisible like Drax. I guess. Okay. I think this is the fan section. Wait. Trapdoors. Obviously. You gotta put trapdoors in there, man. Do you want people to find your treasure? And that's how it's done. And I'm gonna go back in there probably. Because there was more to that temple. Oh God. Get back here. Of course.
Bitch!
Alright, that's 4 monkeys down. And I think there's another one in the temple. First I'm gonna push this box. I forgot what that does, but it does something. I think it unlocks another part of the level. Yeah, this. Ah. Okay, there is a bit of fall damage. You can't fall too high. Else you die. Okay, yeah, go back in the temple. There's another section of, map over here. Oh, stop. Yeah, try that again. Try that again. No, you're not knocking me off of this. Oh. Which is good for me. Because I love more map. Oh god, okay. Serious parkour time. Gotcha! Oh. Why is analog stick not working? Alright. Oh god, he's got rocket launcher! Or whatever. Oh god, he's got straight up fucking missiles. Aha! You're going down! God damn it! I was so close.
Hi-ya!
I can make the jump.
Hi-ya! Ya!
Oh yeah.
Hi-ya!
Jesus. Look at him go. Look at him go. He is such a smart monkey! Yes! Finally! Jesus. And I think there's like a race or something after this where you battle Jake. Sorry, I'm getting a little ahead of myself here. But yeah, man. Glad I made it past that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Trying to beat Jake at a race. Right, that's what's up next. Oh, okay, I got one more level. That's fine.
Look
but
what I've got, a new gadget.
Oh, a new gadget already? Let's go. Oh yeah, the slingshot.
The slingback shooter. Just pull back and shoot. I'm sending the new gadget over to you right now. Try it out in the training room. Without training, it will...
Yeah, training. I know how slingshots work.
Let's go!
Maybe I don't, actually. Well, yeah. That's so hard to get a hang of. Yeah, maybe a little bit with the analog stick and whatnot. So it probably also helps to aim. Well, it's not Fortnite aiming, but it's aiming. Look at that. I figured that all on my own. Screw you, mailbox. Aha. And you aim for that. Well, I already figured out how to aim. So, another win for me. I'm so much smarter than the professor. That doesn't sound right. Whoa! Rotate all around. Why not? Alright. Come on. Meet your doom, hologram. Alright, and then you aim for those. Simple. Simple. Come on. Come on. There we go. I did it. Get out of aiming mode, and we're good. Oh, 5 monkeys this time. Okay. If you say so. Oh, yes, I remember.
Let's go!
Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Oh, why not? Start with you. We'll start right. Ah! I thought I was gonna make that jump. I don't know why I didn't. Maybe that's a sign that I should go this way. Alright. So far, so nothing. No monkeys. Come on now. Just watch me be the most impatient guy ever.
Yeah.
Does that make a bridge? Oh, yes, it does. And you bitches better back off. Shit! I think you can fire a slingshot at those. No, you can't. Actually, you get like different projectiles. Like, there's a way you can change them. There you go. I think the explosive ones will get them. Maybe not. Nope, nothing can destroy those things. Oh well. I tried. Just get away from me. No. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Very monkeyless environment so far. Come on now. I gotta catch me some monkeys. Aha! What do we have here? Still getting the hang of these controls. Also, I really should stick to the infinite amount of regular ammo I have. was that? Aha! Oh, you think you're so slick, huh? Nope, nope, nope. I don't think so, buddy. Alright, first monkey down. Sweet. Let's go through here. And there's another one. Bada bing. I was like an inch away from that. I was like a pixel away from that banana field. Alright, here we go. Boom, gotcha. I got a rocket from that. Sweet cheese. Got it. Before I get too close to you. Taste my mighty fury. Alright, so we good. We good. Alright, I can go through here. Everything's good. Okay, I was about to be trapped. Did I hear monkey? I think I heard monkey. Just okay. You know what? I'm taking you out the hard way. You want it? I was gonna offer you the easy way, but you don't want that, so got my health back. Oh, that's sick! I forgot about that. That's incredible. Okay, where was that? Did something happen over here? I see you're gonna maybe do some Wind Waker stuff. I see where you're coming from. That's very Wind Waker of you. There we go. Still getting the hang of it. Is it working? I don't know. I think that was ice. Uh-huh. Oh, sneak. I do not want to risk anything. Look at me just breezing through this. Nice. It's like occasionally you come across a hard level, but then you get nice little breaks like this. I made it all the way around, full circle. Oh god, maybe not. I don't remember you. Is there something I can do over here? Is there a button? Nope, no button. I'm pretty sure those shining blocks also require a gadget, or shining, like, areas, or whatever. I have no time to explain at the moment. Let's go through here. This is new. Spiders! It's Hazy Maze Cave. Look at me making all these game references. I tend to do that. Oh god. What do you want me to do here? Slingshot? You got it, man. You brought this on yourself. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. That's how it's done. That's how the pros do it. Alright, one more. Please stay up. Alright, where else can I find monkey? Because I'm pretty sure I explored everywhere I can find monkey. Yeah, just make the jump, like so. And then don't die from this point. Alright. Yep, there's more to explore, see? Get out of here. Aha, there's a box to push. You see what happens? I don't even know what I'm saying. Oh, hi. I wasn't sure what you were at first. You weren't in focus.
Yes!
But there we go. I got all the monkeys. Yay! I am so good. I do plan to stop after the race. I'm trying to get to the race. Here we go. Our first race. Like old times, buddy.
I've been waiting for this for a long time. This is just between you and me. Follow me.
It's just between me and you? Alright.
Let's go!
Right out of the gate, let's go. Got the boosts. You're not as fast as me swimming. You're pretty much fucked, buddy boo. There's no penalty for colliding with him. That's good. So I wouldn't want that to be the case. I'm pretty sure I was supposed to take another direction on these platforms, but that's fine, I can catch up. At least I didn't fall into the lava this time. Like an idiot. See, look. I'm already catching up. You can't swim as fast as me! Look at me go! Oh, look at me. Look at me. I'm gonna get to it before he does. Look at that. Okay, we're right on each other's tails. I cannot fuck this part up again. Ah! Yes! I win! Yeah!
Yes!
See? Just needing the second try. Oh, man. Well, I sure love this game. What do you got to say now, Jake? Oh, look at that. I got 5 Spectre coins for that.
I'll go up against you anytime you want.
You got it, buddy. It's kind of weird. You're brainwashed, but we're still racing like we're friends. Anyways, that'll do it for this video. So glad to be coming back to this game. So glad to be back to gaming in general. I had to leave for personal reasons. You might have already known why. I stated it publicly on some platforms, but yeah, I'm glad to be back, man. This is such a fun channel to upload videos on, and I just want to say thank you again to my editing team. Like, you guys make this possible for sure. And as you can see, Spike is going to do something. What were you doing? Were you putting on a Groucho disguise? I'm keeping my eye on you, Spike. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, I make gaming videos all the time. You can go ahead and subscribe if you want, like this video and all that. If you want to check out my other channels, I do various stuff on other channels. I have all the links in the description. All my social media handles are down there as well, and there's a Patreon if you want to financially support the channel. Alright, Spike is so far so good, but I still got my eye on him. But yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll try to get back to this game soon. Stay your awesome selves.